Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today we have a user submitted question. Thank you very much. Someone asked, what's the difference between a hybrid mattress and a standard memory foam mattress? I think that's a great question, but first I'd like my mattress princess to appear so you guys know the drill. Let's do this. Ready? Whoa, there you are. What's up? All right.
Hi, Mattress King.
Hey, how's it going? So,
what is this stuff?
this is a memory foam mattress.
Whoa.
So this discoloration that you're seeing here, that's gel memory foam, and you'll see that there's little holes in it. That's to help with airflow. So the big question is, what's the difference between memory foam and hybrid? Well, we have two nice little cutouts here from our partners at BedTech. A hybrid mattress, as you can see, features inner springs or pocketed inner springs inside for your support system. So if you look at a memory foam mattress, this, if you feel that, princess, is super dense. That's really firm, but if you feel these layers, that's what we call the comfort layers. This is what makes it feel good when you go into bed. If we just had a high dense foam and that was it, it wouldn't be very comfortable, it'd be extra firm. So the support layer is being replaced with inner spring, and that's what a hybrid mattress is. Memory foam on top, inner spring on the center. I have a better example right here. Typically on hybrid mattresses, they have some of the best coil systems that you can buy. What they feature typically is what's called a pocketed coil. So you can see I'm pushing each one individually. That helps with motion separation. So if you're tossing and turning, your partner's not tossing and turning with you. And then you throw on comfort layers like memory foam on top, and you have yourself a hybrid mattress. Pretty cool, right?
Right.
So if you have any other questions, thank you very much for the user submission. Please put them in the comments. We will answer them in the next video. And again, thanks for watching Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next week.